Hello my friends and welcome for this new video. Today I show you how to make chocolate ice cream without an ice cream machine. We will meet in the kitchen to see this technical recipe. Here are the ingredients, also noted in the descriptions. We start by mixing the egg yolks with half the sugar. When they are well whitened, that's enough. Put the milk on low heat, then the chocolate, and stir constantly. This operation is just to melt the chocolate. When it is almost melted, take it off the heat. It will finish melting with the heat. Mix chocolate and egg yolks, stirring for 1 minute to cool slightly. We will then move the white. When it is, we add the other half of sugar and we will just mix. Pour the chocolate egg yolk mixture over the whipped egg whites and mix at low speed. Whip the crème fresh, but make sure it remains frothy. It should not be whipped cream. Then mix with the rest of the preparation. We pour into a mold and we will put it in the freezer for at least 5 hours. After having waited, we can finally test. Take out your chocolate ice cream just 10 minutes before so that it is perfect. Here are my friends. All I have to do is greet you and tell you see you soon for the next recipe. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt pour une prochaine vidéo.